Kasinong Pahamrynniai hari boy district kabade Kiwei ni kisinong kabawat la gadon hasenda jong surok ba national highway Hendrai gede Kiwei na kisinong giba ka Hdfc bank ka phai khamat bha banai ke Iarap ki balapan mang da ka tegatanat kiba kentup nadu ke Iarap iki long ying kiba duk daga kam ri jingri kum ka ri Sniang ka ri Syiar bat kum juru ka jing pensina ya ka pankhana bat ka jing maramot lane ka renovation ya ka ying school jong ka tegasinong bat Shibun ba kiwe ki jing mentoi ki bala bay Tyngka da ka Hdfc bank.
Today is the handing over of the project. This is a holistic rural development program funded by Hdfc Bank, a CSR initiative, and implemented by FXB India Suraksha. FXB India Suraksha set foot in this village in the year 2016. In that year, for the past 2 years, we, the FXB team, were engaged in livelihood promotion and skill building. Livelihood promotion especially for the women and the farmers and also for the youth. We are also offering training and placement for the youth of this village. Then in the year 2018, we began the holistic rural development program. FXB India Suraksha works in 4 main domains. The first is livelihood. In livelihood, we have so many different categories like poultry, piggery, fishery, and any other activities relating to livelihood. And plus we have this education. We have also established one education, it's called Suraksha Education Center. And in this center, we select the slow learners from the village and we offer them remedial coaching classes. Because what happens when the children are not able to pick up, if they are not able to learn properly when they are young, so it is difficult for them once they are promoted to higher classes. There are chances of dropout because of the lack of basic foundation or the good background from the sector of from the schools and other educational institutions. So that is part of the education. And plus we have this sanitation. In the field of sanitation, we have also done many things in this village. And now this is one of the domains. And plus we have child rights protection and safety. So we have education, we have livelihood, we have sanitation and child rights protection and safety. Now I would like to highlight the activities that we have done during the past 6 years in this village. So first activity we have done is the poultry activity. Poultry farming, we have supported 15 families in this village. So 15 families have been provided poultry shed and plus 25 broiler chicks each. It is for them to earn additional income based on their day-to-day living. So 15 households have benefited from this poultry farming activity. We have also provided 15 Sniang, that is called the piggery shed. So we have provided 15 piggery sheds plus 3 piglets each for brooding purpose. Then we have supported 3 fish ponds over here for rearing fish. We also have done this SRI Paddy integrated farming. So this is a new activity and is very interesting. So people have benefited from both fish as well as from paddy harvest. We have also offered 1 nursery polyhouse in this village. So there are many farmers here who are cultivating vegetables in different seasons. But the problem is because of the lack of saplings. So farmers difficult to take up in large scale. FXB India Suraksha, through the support of Hdfc Bank, have developed a nursery polyhouse where the farmers are provided the saplings, seedlings as well. They have provided different varieties of seeds to be germinated in the polyhouse and they are to sell to other local farmers within and outside the village, and so that everybody in the village gets sufficient amount of saplings.
Hakane kesngi kata haka arp artarik upanai nopra arhajar arpawai kene ka holistic rural development program kabla penlong hakate kesenong la IT ya kite ki kor ki bor ban hikai ki khana anak banta ban yo ya ka jing hikai ki babyang badru ban penmelen bat ban penon kam ya ki kom hikai jong kane ka job ka bamanta.
actually.
Yes, in Kiwei district, I think this is on the first
First one.
initiatives. So this is funded by Hdfc.
Hdfc.
It's a CSR initiative.
Yes.
And so they are provided into villages in the Kiwei district to help children learn better, especially in this world of technology. It's a smart television. It's a touch screen.
Okay, it's a touch screen.
Yeah, so they can write, they can watch any program here. So it makes learning more creative and better. So they can learn faster like this from this board.
It is connectivity with the net, everything.
Yes, you can connect YouTube also.
Yeah.
Connect Bluetooth.
It's more like online teaching.
Yes, online. Yes.
Online.
So if they want to learn some extra, they can go to Google also. Yes, Google everything.
Okay. So which are the two villages we have?
So one is in
Samskin. Okay. Nasu ay kumlek kulum yung pagkakailan ni. Kapag speak contribution ha kasnang tulabon benta. Natry ka lang kaiging ba kasnang katanbok ha. Kinigin drills nam si balayat. Wah kita ke development itu benta di bawah ni kasnang. Tinggi saya kan kemudian bagus ay kumlek kulum baru ibadah lang ni nado ibadah si ibadah lang itu kasnang kinong kasnang baru kinong besar. Jadi senang lagi orang mesti itu menjabat lah. Ông Mỹ khmat, mà, có Mỹ MDC rồi ibadan hang nè, như ông bangin don bit but peace nda, senda, như nai lang kata kati kamon pakadiang, kung ông menai baikran na khmat, ông bakajing dunas nang kababon, yes kababon, ngin persyang peneken kababahan na kababahatam, ngelayo hang nè tigi memorandum man pulih, ngai baka surok dong kam tu, kamadan football kabadang tu, ngelayo kejat ngelai juyat na kapor sekapor. Bangakularu irong basnong ruba to ngini syong ngini kendo usnam ula akut mentah uni usnam utmai ngini syong ngini perkhat hakano ngila ban punwandur yakini ki jingdong kam hasnong athau ndai ting irong basnong ka executive member executive committee jong kasnong hi brokoi ngini kendo ngini syong ngini perkhat ya kata ka jingdong kam hang ni hasnong tangan ai mo kata ngai assurance irong basnong haba phiyo kum kini ki jing mentoy nganget kata ka jingri jong sumarung matang irong basnong man pedes katrisnong baru kai ibadan hani iwe piwe. I would like to say appreciation. An keren mah ibarat non nama blay in real nam don ning akwa man keren dak tin English kan diap irma iru insultu. We have acknowledged your contribution to this village from the past 6 years. When it comes to the different kind of development, maybe in the street light, you have done the road infrastructure, the shop infrastructure. We only wish you the best for your future endeavor. 6 years you have given your time, your dedication, your commitment. And I wish all the best for you in the future because I know you're going to leave from this village with a memory of connecting to these people, a memory to connecting to each individual. And I wish you all the best. And a Merry Christmas to you and to your family and to everyone and to your loved ones as well.
Nakapor ngi jula ya lenti. Ngitip buon gisnong, buon kidong. Kiju ang nut, ya bun ki kampen roy. Ban ngoong ye pi ngidon hang ni, ban syakri kabha, ikinong syong shnong. Baka kapor menne, la ay nga kasiti, na irang ba shnong, halor kamat, man panjing Iarap na kamenta ka tiershet, nga so ban ong ye pi kum kanong mi kamat, nga ay ka jingkular, mga panpoy ki tiershet, Maria dep ka Christmas. Nasgaw, kini ki ba, idi ba lesi di barit, kum ganong mikmat kum ke MDC mo adik ni kamati kabadet kabangan sedang what you do mensim what you do jingkermen ngidon hang ni ban penbahai ka kam ngidon hang ni ban trai kam bahai ki pat ba dei ma pi ka jing start jonga bat jong pi kum no ngin kan tiwi ka shnong ba ya ka than ngi i men ne kum balalam khamat ita ki sem Syiar ki sem Sniang kum juru ban penbah ki toilet kum lakran men ne mangan ong ye pi what I ke ka baki mati baki labu dan ke ka baki la pen prat lenti na menta jonga bat jong pi ngin chu ken do no kadi ka jing start ka jong pi we rem pe yeng kum no ngi pendan kam ngin dang kan tio syaprang ngidang wat kilat kelenti na mar kani ka long ka we ni kilat kelenti ba penyo kam penyo jam ngi sngau tanat sya pi sya kinong syong snong ki bastat kat ni pila yo i kat ni pila amat kat ni pila yo bentalang haki bubun ki benta nya ki wi ki snong kimpat yo Yikini kilat kelenti ki ba pipi shem.